Okay, so slowly but surely we're catching up with the various K-pop artists, you know. We're getting there. You know, we're kind of itching away at the list a little bit. So we have Onewe. Um yeah, when is the I really can't even remember the last time I did a Onewe reaction. I think I might have done one last year. I'm pretty sure I did one last year, but I don't know if that was when I was like getting into them. I think it was then when I was like familiarizing myself with them. I think that was the last time I did a reaction to them. So it's been a while. I quite enjoyed their music. Q is probably, I don't know if I can say it's my favorite. I haven't delved into their music as much as I would have liked to, but it's definitely the song I go back to the most. Like, I love that song. Like, Hwasa could have not been in there. I'm glad she is, because I think her voice works well within the band. But Hwasa could have not been there, and I would have still loved that song. I listened to that song, I think, at least like maybe once a day. Like, it always comes up somewhere, somehow. It's in a lot of my playlists. I really like that song. So that being said, Onewe, have we found a bias? It's kind of, I think right now, it's kind of a toss-up between Kia, I think that's how you say his name. I always get in my head about how to pronounce his name. It's literally 3 letters and I'm struggling. I think it's Kia. I might be wrong. And Dongmyung, I hope I'm saying his name right as well. I think I'm like familiar with who's who, and hopefully I don't mispronounce their names. It's kind of a toss-up between them right now, not gonna lie. I'm kind of maybe looking like Kia is going to be the bias and Dongmyung is going to be the bias shaker. That's right now, that's tentatively the vibe. But anyways, we have 3 music videos we're going to get into. I'm hoping I am watching them in order. I prefer to watch videos in chronological order. It's just a thing for me. And the first one is called Rain to Be. So, and it looks very angsty. The way this has been edited and whatnot, it looks a little dreary. So I'm expecting the vibes are going to be a little bit sad, you know. But without any further ado, let's get into it. 3, 2, 1. Okay. What up, Kanghyun? Okay, yo, Harin is also low-key a problem. Ooh. Oh. His voice is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay, y'all don't need to look so into it. Hey! Ooh, okay! Wait, this is not where this did not go where I was expecting it to go. I want to hear that again. This is alright. Less than a minute and we already have a bop on our hands. Wow. Hey! Fuck it, me too. Honestly, yeah, me too. Hey. Okay, now I need this close up. Alright, y'all what's going on? Are y'all gonna drown in this pool? Are we escaping? Are we keeping the water at 1 level? Well, there is rain in the title. I should have expected this. Okay. Personally, I don't need to see Onewe in the rain. Especially this man with his like longish hair. I don't need it. Personally, I am fine. But like, I really... simple but well shot music video. They very much captured the vibes with this one, and just whoever like did the... I'm assuming, I think it would have to be edited to come out like this. Whoever did the editing, hope they cut you your check, because this is fucking great. Hey. Ooh, who's saying, oh, I mean, his voice. Kind of a little bit sad, there's a little bit of angst. Hey, okay, so we are, maybe we need to get out because the water levels are rising. Hey. know some whoa, like what? Hey, hey, hey. Kia did that. Maybe he is my bias. Maybe, but also Harin on the drums. Let's not sleep on my man, you know. Fuck it up, Kings. Oh, yo, oh, his voice sounds stunning. I don't even know how Harin plays the drums right now. You better fucking go crazy. Fuck it up, Kanyeon. It's what you deserve. Alright, so my Wi-Fi was being weird. I went back just a few seconds just so that we could fully appreciate the ending of the song. Fucking Onewe has done it once again. Anyways, this isn't even over. Let's get back into it. 3, 2, 1. Hey. The strings of this portion go off, honestly. I really don't know how Harin was able to keep playing the drums. Girl, why am I surprised? I like the majority of them, like, title. I'm assuming this is the title track. It also has the most views out of all the videos that I plan to watch today, so I'm gonna go ahead and assume this is the title track. I don't even know why I'm surprised anymore. In my defense, just because of the title, and I think most people do associate Rain with a little bit of, and there was angst, you know, even the way this video was like edited, again, for lack of a better term, you know, I was expecting a little bit of a slower, more relaxed kind of sound. Not that I'm disappointed by any means. I've been listening to some good music. I listened to 17 yesterday, listening to this today. I've been listening to some good ass music lately. It's going in the playlist. I have this playlist because so I can like narrow down songs as I listen to them for like my favorite title tracks of the year. It's going in the. Are you kidding me? Do we hear the same song? That's going in the playlist for sure. I don't even know where to start, what to say. First of all, we need to start at the most obvious. The vocals on this fucking crazy. Youngman, listen, I feel like I don't give this man his flowers enough a lot of the time. He sounded fantastic. I don't know what else to say. He sounded so great on this. Every part he was in, crazy. Dongmyung on this as well. Very much strong competition between the two of them for my favorite vocalist. Because for a moment I was really veering towards Younghoon. I'm not gonna lie. I was like, the man can sing. The man is singing. And then Dongmyung came on, and I was like, you know what? Maybe we can have two favorite vocalists. Maybe that can be. And then Kia coming in with the rap. Kia is really an issue. It's a lot. Kia is a lot. Not to sleep on Harin and Kanghyun on their respective instruments as well. Harin towards the end going crazy on the drum. Like having Kia rap and then having Harin come in was a lot. I have a bit of a soft spot for drummers in any group, so yes. And like that was a lot, but that was like an attack against me specifically. And then that little I'm pretty sure Kanghyun plays the guitar. Could be very wrong. I'm not the most well versed in instruments, but I'm pretty sure he plays the guitar. That little guitar solo he was doing towards the end, and him having the opportunity to really like shine and be in the spotlight. There's nothing bad about the song. Like, in my opinion, obviously I can't speak for anyone else. There's nothing bad about the song. There's nothing bad about the song. Nothing at all. I don't even, do I have the capacity to go and listen to the others? I mean, we're already here, you know, might as well. Okay, so the next song is Veronica. You know, maybe I'm learning not to trust Onewe and the vibes, because this looks very happy. We're outside. You know me, I love a good nature music video anywhere, whether we're in the mountains, in the forest, by the ocean. I'm there. Those are very much my vibes. So I'm very much digging this already. But you know, last time I thought we were going to be very sad and have a slower song. So I don't know, girl. I don't know. Anyways, let's get into it. 3, 2, 1. Those like strings. Or is that like... Sorry, I wasn't ready. Now I am. I just realized Kia opened his mouth and I realized I wasn't prepared. Anyways, we're here now. I like that. Those keys. Is this hair in pigtail? Kia is the... I just noticed his hair. Actually, the first time I just heard is what Kia's. Maybe he is my bias because it's dumb. It's so stupid how he affects. It's so dumb. Anyways, I mean, I like Kanye's hair. Come on, strings. Hey, don't smile at me, please. Also, does Kia have a tattoo? Are we gonna talk about that? Maybe I didn't see correctly. Hey, heart? Heart? Let's not sleep on my man on the drums. Let's not sleep on my man on the drums. Hey! Okay, yo. Woo! It's the drum. Harin is really just out here carrying the songs on his back. Just I love drummers. I love the drums. If I had the time and capacity to learn an instrument, I'll probably learn to play the drums. Harin kind of is stealing the show a little bit from me already in this one. Ooh. Hey. Ooh. Look at that. How nice. It's a very cute song, by the way. I'm very much liking the vibes. They're very cute and smiley in this, which is thought would be better, but I don't need Dongming smiling at me. And then Kia, maybe we have found the bias. This reminds me when I was watching when I was reacting to Everglow's First. I think that was the name of the song, and I was like, oh, I don't know who my bias is. And then Aisha just came in, and I was like, maybe we do know. Maybe we know now. I feel like that's what's happening. Anyways. Hey. This is a very cute song. Don't smile at me with your pigtails. Are you fucking kidding me? Hey. Okay, I don't need the two of them interacting. Not at all. What the come here? The strings sound crazy. Sound great. I'm so tired already of them. I'm ready to leave. Why do we need to keep doing this? I'm so tired. And the little trap-esque beat that came in, he's such an issue. Oh my goodness, he's such an issue. Hey, I really don't need the Kia Donghyun interactions. I really don't. Fuck it up. Go off. Honestly, don't fuck it up, King. Hey, hey. You better love talent. He's singing a lot in this one. Like, I think I would argue he's like dominating the vocals. No, I'm not mad at it, it's just an observation. Y'all know, again, the spotlight he deserves. Fuck it up, Kanya. But Haran as well? What kind of Haran song? I'm sorry, I don't make the rules. Hey. Hey. Okay, y'all. I don't know who told you who put in, but okay, go. This was worse somehow. I think this was worse somehow than the first one. I just, y'all don't need to smile at me. I don't need to see y'all interacting with each other. Like, I am fine. I did not request this. I did not ask for this personally. Maybe I'm just gonna enjoy every song, and that's okay. I don't know why I'm surprised. I've never heard a Onewe song in my entire life. Donghyun and Haran instrumentally kind of went off in this one. That's it. They fucking killed it. And in the beginning as well, they were giving me a little R&B feels with the drums where Haran he wasn't doing anything too crazy, but the R&B vibes were definitely there. And Donghyun, we all heard the man shredding it. Basically, that's what he was doing. All the Kia raps, the Kagyan solo once again. There wasn't as much Yongun in this one, but towards the end, the man said, I am still here. I will show you my vocals. I will flex my vocals for you just a little bit. Don't forget. I will show you I am present. The lyrics are so cute, But did one of them say this, or am I imagining them? I think it was Kia. It was like, yeah, hold my hand. We'll go through the different galaxies together, or whatever the fuck he said. And I was like, I need to leave. I'm so tired of him. And they look very cute. Kangyan's hair and Kia's hair are an issue. I didn't need to see the man in those little pigtails. It was a lot. Kia is just a lot, is what I've come to realize now. And I have one more video to go, and I don't know. I don't even know. I don't know how you can prepare for a Onewe music video anymore. I'm not the poster child for that. Okay, so I'm tired, and we're at the end, and the last song is called AuRoRa, and I've stopped having expectations. Do you hear and see the fatigue in my eyes and in my voice? Exactly. Let's do it. I'm so tired of this entire band. Let's do it. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, nighttime in the forest somewhere. Okay. This might be the worst one aesthetic, so it's just that from the outfits I've seen already. Okay, alright. Y'all said I don't deserve rights, me specifically. You better fuck it up, Kagyan, starting us off. I think Yonghun might have my favorite voice. Like, he just sounds, I always say like magic when I can't think of a better way to describe someone's voice, but he really does. He just sounds so angelic all the time. Maybe he's like my favorite vocalist. I just... Okay, let me calm down. Hey. Okay. Okay, is he wearing a choker? I'm not going to say anything. Anyways, that's a fucking pretty line. Oh my goodness. I assume you were the light, and he was like the light. You know how Kia. The grit in his voice? Fuck it up. Yo, Robin is. Maybe he's also an issue. This whole band. Straight up Dongding, honestly. I don't need the Harem close-ups. I think he's doing a choker. He's out. Look at this thing. Oh, okay. You don't need to hold the mic like that. So, fuck it up. Before Kia ruins my life, we will not see what Haran fucking it up on these drums. We will not. Not on this channel. Let's go. I'm so tired. Sounds so fucking good. It's the drums for me. Break it down. Okay. Hey. Hey, fuck it up. Kang doing what he does with this also like it's like purple metallic so cool. Matches the vibes of this music video. Okay, sir. Alright. This man's going off. Okay. We're really just going off in this one. Apparently both of y'all are okay. The editing in this is I don't even know what to say. So this is my favorite one. No, but like actually AuRoRa is probably my favorite song. Like out of the three, I really like AuRoRa. I think it's my favorite of the three. Like I think if I were to rank them off first, I said it would be AuRoRa, Rain to Be, I think that's what it was called, and then Veronica. That's how I would rank this. Again, I feel like it's more like in the vein of rock, and maybe that's why I kind of like it a lot more. I'm so I don't need a Onewe love song anymore. Like I don't need. Did you hear Younghood? See, I don't need him to sing like this ever again. Yeah, I think he's my favorite vocalist in the band. This one solidified that. I think he has taken the position of favorite vocalist in the band, because are you kidding me? Did we hear him singing? Kia as a rapper is an issue. Because I have an affinity, a little bit of a weakness for rappers, if you will. A lot of my bias, I would argue the majority of my biases are rappers, actually. And apparently that does not exclude the band. This was so much. It was so much. But it's such a good song, and the lyrics are so fucking romantic and sweet, and I just need to leave, actually. I'm overwhelmed. I need to lie down. Anyways, this has been a bit of a